I sit by the phone at home, hoping it rings, hoping it's for me. But I'm not just yearning for a voice to talk to. I'm learning how slow the motherfucking clock moves when you watch it. And my celly's in my pocket, hoping she calls. But I get no calls at all. And the skinny hand falls to the 6 and crawls to the 12. Tick, tock, tick, tock. I want to talk, but I know she can't listen. I want to tell her when her eyes glisten, my heart stops. But right now my heart throbs. I want to kiss this princess and turn her into a frog, so then she can see that the beauty is not on the skin at all. And I can't even begin to explain, because when I exclaim she's beautiful, she replies, I know. Superficial Hollywood hoe is what I thought. And I want to metaphorically throw her face into a mirror until the glass cuts through her skin and her chin is deformed and she has a broken nose and her evil eye is swollen close and her physical beauty no longer shows, and say, so, what I saw was not the beauty on top. Underneath those bright eyes, so blue and so rare that even the moon stops to stare. Under that blonde hair that flows like the snow on a sunny day when the wind blows. Under that body that's so sleek that when her nipples peek, it makes my knees weak. That under all that beauty, that radiance, that allure, I'm sure that your soul is made of gold. And I'd have sold all that beauty for one look into your eyes, past the blueness that makes me go blind, but into your mind. See, if so many dudes didn't drool of your physical physique, you'd seek me, because I see what you really are. Full of fear. Scared of what's really here. A man you can't handle. A man who doesn't dilly-dally. See, I played the games. I called the names. My bitch, my hoe, this one broad I know. But I said that shit because I was scared of my own shadow. But now I'm saddled up, I'm here. I won't shut up. I said I like it because I'm sick of the same old same, finding a different dame. I can't remember her name. And now I know for sure. Like Big Pun said, I don't want to be a player no more. Now I'm here with you, speaking true. Don't run for me because you're anxiety. Don't run for me because I've shown you what's inside of me. Don't run because you've been hurt in the past. Don't run because you're scared it'll never last. The present is here, and so am I. So take a chance, baby, and be mine. But she's not here to hear, so lyrics of love wasted on a listening open ear. Bless, thank you. Yeah.